guys, it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Aurora Runaway filter TikTok trend, which I know is going like all around TikTok right now, and a lot of people are asking how to do it. So the only thing we need for this video is Instagram and TikTok. That's it. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open Instagram and we're going to go and make a new story. So as you can see down here, we have all the filters. So we're going to scroll to the right until we find the browse effects. And we're going to click on this button and you have the effect gallery here. And we're going to search for Runaway Aurora by Runaway Aurora. So we do have a lot of filters here, but the Runaway Aurora one is the one I mostly like, but you can go experiment with each one because they're like almost the same, but this one is my favorite. So you can choose whichever you want. You're going to go and click on try it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to choose the hands-free option. So to do this, we're going to click on the arrow over here. We're going to find hands-free and we're going to click on it, because if we don't choose this option, what we're going to have to do is we're going to leave the button, like the record button, pressed all the time to film, and that's not what we want. So we're going to choose the hands-free option. And another thing to keep in mind is that you should have a light source behind you. For example, I have this window, because the filter works better if you have a light source behind, so you can use either a window or just a light, a ring light, I don't know, whatever you have that produces light, put it behind you, and that's it. And now what we have left to do is to film. And on every beat, we're gonna choose a different pose to do whatever we want, and that's it. And we can film the TikTok now, so let's go. That's it, and once we filmed this and we like the final result, what we have to do is just download this video by clicking the arrow here. And that's it. Now, once that we've downloaded it, what we have to do is upload it to TikTok, and that's it. The song, you already have it. You don't have to search it up on TikTok. Just upload this video and post it, and that's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it was useful for you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, go follow me on TikTok, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye!